So we've entered a new phase. The immediate tensions have eased. The situation is gradually stabilizing and the markets are responding to all of this. Today, investors reacted to this pause, the stoppage of firing between India and Pakistan. Indian stocks registered a sharp rally. Both the Sensex and the Nifty surged, rising by nearly 4%. The Sensex zoomed nearly 3,000 points. The Nifty jumped 900 points. In absolute terms, this is the biggest gain in one day for Indian markets, the biggest ever gain in a single day. Clearly, the bulls are back. Last week, investors were apprehensive. They were shifting to safe havens like gold. The conflict had shaken their confidence. But those fears are now fading. Gold prices have slipped today as investors return to equities. And the risk appetite has returned to the markets. All key sectors were in the green, from IT to realty to metals. Gold prices dipped by 2%. So the shift is quite obvious. Investors are moving back to equities. Confidence is returning. And this is because of more than one reason. Yes, the India-Pakistan situation gave a boost. That is one clear reason. But the broader geopolitical mood is also improving. For a change, there are a bunch of positive headlines. The US and China have a thaw. They seem to be backing off from their trade war. They have agreed to a 90-day pause in tariffs. Plus, several major tariffs have been rolled back. So there's a higher likelihood of a wider deal on trade between the Americans and the Chinese. And this has had a positive impact on global markets. Hong Kong's Hang Seng jumped in today's trade. So did the European and American markets. The US-China deal also boosted oil prices. Brent crude rose by over 3%. And a big reason for that could be a statement from the United States. Listen to this.
The atmosphere was very conducive to discussions, and thanks to them, we were able to have very constructive and positive conversations with our Chinese counterparts, who clearly came to deal this week. The rapid nature that we were able to conduct and conclude these discussions is a testament to mutual understanding and mutual respect between the Chinese and U.S. sides.
Mutual understanding and mutual respect. The tone is collaborative, it is not confrontational, and this is a departure from the past rhetoric and the combative tone that has been a hallmark of the Trump administration. This is also a signal to the investors. Serious attempts are underway to strike a deal. More importantly, the statement offers hope for more predictability and less uncertainty in policy making. The third important development is in the Russia-Ukraine war. There are signs of a possible thaw there as well. Kiev is offering a ceasefire to Moscow. Volodymyr Zelensky says he is ready to meet Vladimir Putin. The Ukrainian president is ready to meet the Russian president. This is after the Russian president offered direct talks. And Trump demanded that Ukraine agrees to it. Zelensky says he is willing to meet Putin in Turkey.
I will be in Turkey this Thursday, May 15th, and I am expecting Putin in Turkey, personally. I hope this time Putin will not look for reasons why he can't do something. We are ready to talk to end the war. Thursday, Turkey. President Trump supported it. All leaders support it.
Moscow is yet to respond to that offer, but this is the closest they've come to a direct conversation in the last 3 years. Both Ukraine and Russia appear willing to halt fighting. Yes, it's not over till it's over. The terms for a truce still need to be worked out. There's a lot that needs to be done, but the momentum for a resolution is clearly building. Investors are tracking all of this. They're beginning to price in an end to the war. It won't happen overnight, but it is on the horizon, and that is good news. So after months of uncertainty and chaos, global markets are looking at a lot of positive developments, and their reaction is showing in the numbers.